Jamming out.
Evan, muscle. Evan, muscle. Make a muscle. Nope, not on Lily yet.
Alright, let's see Lily get her little toesies in there. Let's see you, Leah. Oh, she doesn't like that. She says it's cold, burr.
She'll come in a sec, Ev.
Honey, it's too cold for her.
It'll warm up, though.
You dancing, Ev?
Let's dance, guys.
Girl's got her legs curled up. She said, no thank you.
Yeah, I'd rather stay out here and dance.
You guys are in a shadow. Can't really see. Oh, there they are.
Hey, Lily.
Hi, Lily.
On their thighs. Hey, Lily, look up at Mama.
Leah. Leah, 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 Leah. Hi. Evan, what are you doing in there?
Come out of the house, Ev. Let's play in the pool. Careful. Oh, did you get your football? Do you need help?
Hey, Ev. Hi, guys.
Smile, Lily.
Leah wants to go in the house.
Say hey, Mama.
Evan the Destroyer. No. Hi, Leah. Leah. Lily. Who's on Daddy's shoulders?
Smile, Mama.
Kinda.
Got a clutch of my hair.
I see that. Whoa.
There you go. That's how she likes it right now, Mommy. Look, right there. Right on my hip. Wipe it off?
Why? Aren't you going to put it right back in the water, Ev? Whoa, Daddy. Whoa, is that cold, Ev?
Ah! Pass him the pigskin. Pass. Whoa, good spiral. Catch. Catch.
That was a poor effort. Hold on, Ev. Mommy's going to walk by.
Nice throw. Ready? Oh, a little short, sorry.
Show me how you dance, Ev.
Pass. Got an arm on him. Oh, almost.
Good throw, Ev.
Oh, Lily wants to pass.
Lily's got some boogers hanging over her nose.
It's wet. I know it's wet. It's okay. Daddy will dry it off. Here, you hold it. Tuck it in. 2 hands on the ball if you're the running back. Catch up. Oh, silly. Pass. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, right in the head. Right in the noggin. Evan, do you like your new pool?
I'll do, Mama.
You're all done?
Huh.